Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you how to remove Meta AI from Messenger. So, let's dive right in. Meta AI is a cool tool that can answer your questions, generate creative text formats, and even create images based on your descriptions. In the Messenger app, you will find the Meta AI icon at the bottom tabs. But if you're not interested in this feature, follow these steps to remove it. Exit Instagram and long press the Messenger app. Tap on the I button, then select the uninstall option. Next, search for a trusted website for the Messenger APK. Look for a version from around the end of March or early April. Download the APK file from the trusted website. After downloading, go to your Downloads folder and tap on the Messenger APK file. If you've uninstalled Messenger, you'll see an install option. Tap on it. Log in to your Messenger account once the app is installed. Here, you will notice that the Messenger Meta AI option is now removed. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.